This video is for 2nd grade lesson 21, and I will be doing some of the questions to help you with these type of problems. The first section is called place value, and I will be doing number 1 to begin with. When you're doing these type of questions, you first have to know that there will be 3 places, and the number coming first is hundreds place, coming second is tens place, and coming third is ones place. So let's do number 1. We know that hundreds place is 2, tens place is 3, and ones place is 7. Let's do one more questions together. Let's do number 7, and it is 892. We know that 8 is in hundreds, 9 is in tens place, and 2 is in ones place. Going to next section, we have estimating length. For the first question, we know that this item goes from 0 all the way to 5. To make sure we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we know that this is 5 centimeters long. To do one more question, I'll do number 4. This one goes from 0 all the way to 7. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we know that this feather is 7 centimeters long. For this section, we have to write an equation for the picture that we have right next to it and solve. I will be doing number 1. So for this, let's count how many squares there are in the very left. There is 4. And how much squares are there in the middle? There's also 4. And in the right, it is 4 as well. And now we have to add all these 4s together. So let's first add these together. And it is 8. And 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. To make sure that you got the answer right, you can always count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Since counted number is 12, we know that this answer is correct. I will also do number 3. And when we count this, the left one, there is 5 diamonds, and the right side also have 5 diamonds. 5 plus 5 is 10, so we know that there is 5 in total. There is 10 in total. The last section is called word problems, and I will be doing 2 questions from this section. Let's first do number 2. Kevin has 11 crayons, Leah has 15 crayons, and Emil has 12 crayons. How many pencils do they have in all? To know how much pencils they have in all, we have to add all of them together. So let's add 11 and 15 together first. 1 plus 5 is 6, and 1 plus 1 is 2, so there is 26. Now let's add 26 to this number right here, 12. 6 plus 2 is 8, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So we know that there is 38 pencils in all. Let's do number 5 together. There are 158 people watching a movie at a theater. 19 of them leave. How many people are still watching a movie? For this question, we will be using a subtraction because we have to know how much people are left. So let's do 158 minus 19. Since we cannot do 8 minus 9, we will be borrowing 1 from 5. So this will be 4. And this will turn into 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. And now since 5 has changed to 4, 4 minus 1 will be 3, and 1 coming down will be 1. So we know that there is 139 people still watching a movie.